Welcome to Earni Tutorials, your quick guide to making NDIS business admin faster and easier. Earni is your smart, all-in-one mobile app built for support workers and providers to help you manage your clients, scheduling, invoicing, and cash flow, as well as power through your NDIS admin with ease. Less admin, less stress, more time back for yourself. Earni is the easier way. If you haven't got the app yet, just head to earni.au, download and start streamlining your workday today. In our last Earni tutorial, we created our first calendar entry and linked this appointment to our client. This video will take you through how to turn this appointment into an invoice and show you how simple and fast Earni makes this process for you. In the Earni app, tap on the appointment that you're ready to create an invoice for in your calendar. Make sure the appointment has been completed, and then under Linked Invoice, you can tap Convert to Invoice. As you've already begun this process via your calendar, link appointment details will already be ticked, and your NDIS services and rates auto-populate for you. If you've seen your client multiple times in the 1 week, this is where you can add additional appointments to the one invoice. Just tap Link Another Appointment, find the appointment date and time you wish to add, and your extra appointment will be included on the invoice. If you're on Earni Premium and have used the Start-Stop Time Tracker, you can link your tracked time entry to your invoice. This can be helpful if you're tracking travel time or non-face-to-face time. At the bottom, you also have the option to save the invoice as a draft, if you'd like to have the invoice pre-prepared in advance, but potentially add more appointments to it before you send it off for payment. Once you're ready, tap Submit and Send. It will then give you the option to email the invoice to yourself, to your client, and/or the plan manager. All draft, pending, and paid invoices can be viewed under the Invoices screen on the bottom menu. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, which will show you how to create an invoice from scratch and not from the calendar.